Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is string operators. So, what is the meaning of string operator? Operator means a symbol that is basically used to perform a particular operation. Okay, so we are having here two types of the string operations, string operators. First is a concatenation string operator, and second one is the replication string operator. Concatenation means the positive, means the addition of the particular string we have to do, and the replication means to repeat the value. In the string operator is used to join, basically concatenation is used to join the two or more strings. Okay, look at here, we are having the example as C plus season. This is the string first and this is the string second. So when you just add both the values, it will give you the result as season. Or the program for the same is, first you need to take a variable a in which the value C is given and the b in which the value sun is given. When we add both the strings as print a plus b, it will give you the result as season. Okay, and what is the meaning of that application? Means to repeat your string again and again. This string operator is used to replicate the string value. For example, if we write hi exclamation replicate 4, it means it will repeat your particular string 4 times. So this is these are the two types of the string operators. Now move to the next one. The program for the same is, when you just write print welcome asterisk sign 3, it will print your welcome 3 times. Next, the topic is membership operator in string. We are having two basic membership operators that are used in the string, that is in operator and not in operator. In means that included in your string, and not in means that is not included in your string. Okay, so in operator is used to check whether the character is present in the given string or not. It will give the result in the form of true or false. Okay, so for example, p in prachi, right? Now because character p is available in string prachi, so it will be give us the result as true. And rto in namrata, in this example, character rt matches with your string but o is not, so it will give you the result as false, right? Next is not in operator. Not in operator means the character is not available. Okay, so not in operator is used to check whether the character is available or not available. It will also give the result in the form of true or false. Look at here, for example, k not in vansh. This is the true condition because I am telling the character k is not available in vansh. Yes, it's true, so it will give you the result as true. But shi not in vanshika, no, it's false because shi is present in the vanshika string, so it will give you the result as false. Now the next type of the operator is string comparison operator, in which we have to compare two or more strings, which is basically used with the help of the equals to string, not equals to, greater than, lesser than, greater than equals to, and lesser than equals to. And again, the comparison operator also gives you result in the form of the true or false, right? So for the same, you can check the program. First, country equals to India. Print country equals to India. First I assign the value to my variable. My variable is country, in which I'm assigning a value as India. So when you just print country equals to India, it will give you the result true because it's properly correct. Now but when you write country is equals to, now the characters are in the form of the small letter, so it will just decline your value and result give you the result as false, right? A string is compared with another string by comparing one by one character of one string with the another. Means every character you need to compare here. First character matches with the another one, but the rest one are in the form of the caps on, where are here we are having the caps off, so it will give you the result in the form of false. On the another side, we can check print India equals to India. Okay, it will give you the result as false. But if you write India is greater than India, it will give you true. Why? Because the ordinal of the small case letter, it will be always greater than the uppercase letter. Okay, that's why your small case letter India will be greater than the uppercase letter, right? Now name 1, if we are having as Vanshika, name 2 as Vansh. So when we just print name 1 is less than name 2, it will give you the false, because the character value of name 1 is more than the name 2. Okay, ordinal value of Vanshika is more than the Vansh. That's why it will give you the result as false. So these are the three basic types of your operators. First is your comparison operator, the membership operator, and your basic two types of the operator, that is a concatenation and your replication operator. Revise all the topics properly and practice the basic programs. Thank you and have a nice day.